Have you ever looked into buying a newly renovated property and thought, it's not exactly what I would have done, or those floors aren't exactly what I would have chosen? Or maybe you've gone to a new build and been excited about the opportunity of picking what you want and making the property your own, but then you saw the price tag and you were like, oh, that ain't gonna happen. Well, I'm Mike Proctor with Whissel Realty Group. You're gonna love what we have in store for you here at 6851 Clara Avenue. Come check this out. All right, welcome home. Like I said, it's a blank slate, but let us give you an idea of what we've got in mind. So over here, you've got your formal dining that blends beautifully into your brand new kitchen. Quartz countertops, brand new cabinets, gorgeous flooring. Imagine that. Also, right back here behind me, could even be maybe home office. So like I said, blank slate. We can pretty much do what you want here. But let's go see what other opportunities there are in the rest of the house. So as you're leaving the kitchen area, when you head left, you go to your private master suite. Let's check this out. All right, welcome to your master suite. A couple things that this room in particular has to offer before you get to put your finishing touches on it. You can see two very large windows bringing in a ton of natural light. It is actually separate from all the rest of the living space, so you get your nice little quiet corner of the house all to yourself. Now let me give you an idea of what we have in mind for the finishes. So as we leave the master, we walk down the hallway, we pass 1 and 2 other bedrooms, your laundry room, and then come into your great room. I love this room in this house. It really adds a completely different dynamic than most of the other properties in the neighborhood. You're gonna love it too, especially when you get to put your finishing touches here. What we've got in mind, we got TV on the wall, huge couch. This is a great entertaining space, super comfortable. If you're interested in finding out how to truly make this house yours, give me a call, 619-843-4931.